If your Facebook feed is full of unwanted posts, here's how to reset and clean it up fast. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the three-line menu in the top corner. Now scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Next, go to the Preferences section. From there, tap on Content Preferences. Under Content Preferences, tap Reconnect to see pages and people you may have unfollowed. You can also tap on Unfollow to remove posts you don't want to see anymore. Another helpful step is to tap Favorites and add friends or pages you want to see more often. This helps Facebook refresh and improve your feed. Once you're done, go back to your home screen and refresh the feed. You should now see more relevant and updated content. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Facebook feed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.